Just do it. Father, we are here to worship and praise you. Yeah, yeah. Father, we are so sincere to show you how much we love you. Yeah. My darling, all the worshipers in the house, lift your hands and repeat after me. What a mighty God we serve. The creator of heaven and earth. Yeah. There are no words that I can say to glorify the greatest name in earth. I would say to say, I will still glory. You're mighty, mighty God, mighty God, mighty God, mighty God. You're mighty. My Lord, I will do all when you're mighty, mighty, so yeah. I can't wait to put you other words I say, oh, greatest name, yes, yes, great almighty, oh, you're mighty, oh,